Hey everyone, today I want to try another mesotherapy treatment, which is using the Korean make Ampoule. Yeah, this is the one, which is Saline Course Intensive Stem Cell Essential Ampoule. I'm gonna use to go on with the treatment. Well, I have numbing cream over my face now. Then I want to talk about why I choose stem cell, and the main purpose of stem cell regenerations is for facelifting and also to make our pores smaller. Next, sanitize. I'm using the 5 ml syringe, but alright, I'm all set to go. I'll start with the chin area. Okay, let's compare the before and after MTS. That's the difference. See this area? Yes, lifting, immediate lifting effect. This is me again 14 days after stem cell mesotherapy, and this is the results. Let's get a closer look. For the small lighting areas is lifted with smaller polymer. Basically, I'm quite happy with the result, and I should go on with the second stem cell mesotherapy. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.